Welcome to Undefined Geometry. In this video, we shall be looking at more of the Sketcher workbench. We have a sketch open, so let's start. We looked at the profile command in the last video. In this video, we shall look at the other commands. The first command we shall look at is the elongated hole. In this command, we can produce a slot-type profile. First, pick the command icon. This may be hidden in the extended menu that can be reached by picking the triangle. Once selected, pick in the Sketcher window where you want the slot to start, move the mouse to the next position and pick. A dotted line will follow the mouse after the first pick. Now move the mouse up or down away from the center line and the profile will follow. Pick to locate the profile. We can change and add constraints at this point. The next command we shall look at is the cylindrical elongated hole. In this command, we can produce a curved slot-type profile. First, pick the command icon. Once again, it may be hidden in the extended menu that can be reached by picking the triangle. For this command, we need to define the center point of the arc that the hole is located around, the radius of the arc, the start and end point of the hole, and the radius of the ends. Once we have selected the icon, pick in the Sketcher window where you want the center of the arc to be located. Next, move the mouse to where you want the hole to start and pick in the sketch. A dotted arc is produced. Move the mouse to where the end point of the arc is to be located and pick. Now move the mouse away from the dotted line as before and the whole profile will be produced. Pick in the Sketcher to create the profile. We can now create the next profile, which will be the hexagon command. After picking the icon we pick in the Sketcher window, we see the hexagon is produced. At the moment it moves with the mouse, we can change the size and angle of the hexagon as we please. Once happy with the result, we pick to create the profile. The size and angle of the sides can be changed at any point, including after creation. That is just 3 examples of the profile commands available in the Sketcher workbench. They all follow the same creation procedure, so there is no point going through them all here. The next command we shall cover is the trim command. This command trims elements to each other, allowing you to create a closed profile. If we produce 2 lines in the Sketcher window, then we can look at how the trim command works. Pick the command and a secondary menu is opened. This will enable the different types of trim. We can trim both elements or just one element using this button. We want to trim both elements, so we pick the keeping side of the element on both elements. Other ways to trim are using corner, which puts a radius on the corner. The radius size can be changed after creation by double-clicking on the value. Notice that the ends of the lines have the tangent constant added, or using the chamfer command, which adds a chamfer. Once again, the angle and the length can be changed. One other very useful command is mirror. This command allows the user to create one side of a symmetrical profile and then mirror it around a center line. The next video, we shall be looking at producing a 3D shape from the profile, so join us for that. Thanks for watching.